Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Now, since I've been moving stuff all around in the extended kitchen area, which is no longer the dining room, it's the extension kitchen area with a chest freezer and a dryer. I told y'all, and all them dang shelves in there that whole house, all my pantry goods, my kitchen appliances. I got a big old giant uh, fryer, you know, the kind you use to fry turkeys in. My husband and I, we used that a few times. It made the chicken really crispy. It was good. And we haven't used it in a while. And I have some, well, I just got stuff that I need to go through. And I got to take my time, shoot. Because my back didn't gone out. My hand didn't went out. My mind didn't went out. Everything gone out. It's gone out. So now I just freestyle. I just take my time and do what I need to get the job done. Now this little light stuff right here, okay, I forgot to tell you about the Sazon. I got that tomato Sazon, and I noticed it don't got no spices in it, but it do got that, I think it's that MSG in there, and maybe that would make my head hurt, too much of that MSG, but I like that tomato one. And I got some food coloring. Why am I showing y'all this food color? Because I'm gonna make me I was gonna say some pink icing to go on my, ain't no such thing as a pink. Pink is not a flavor. But I wanted so bad, so I'll make me a pink cake and some pink icing. But what I'm actually making is a strawberry cake, because you got to use this strawberry, but it's going to be pink, but it's a strawberry cake, and it's going to have pink colored icing on it. It's going to be so good. And I don't know if I put strawberries. If I put fresh strawberries on it, it'll just be for the slice that I cut, not on the whole cake. I don't want to put strawberries on the cake, fresh strawberries on the whole cake, just on the slice I cut. So I'm going to make a strawberry cake and put the pink icing on there that I'm going to make from using powdered sugar and all the other little ingredients you use to make it taste so good. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making a pink cake. Now I can say pink cake since I told y'all how it's made, what it's made from, and what it is. Okay, hello polar bear going nowhere. I have now found out, well, all this week, I think Beyond the Gate took a vacation. This whole doggone week, they have not been on. That was so disappointing. Well, how are they just going to take a whole week? They probably doing that for the 4th of July. Took a whole doggone week off. And then I read on somebody's video, they said that their show was suspended. I don't know which is true, but anyway, Eva got her liver transplant from her sister, evil sister, Kat. I can't believe some people loved her character, Kat, but I like Eva because Kat is mean, selfish, spoiled, rich brat, and she her and her mama bougie. That whole doggone Dupree family is bougie, and I can't wait for Leslie, if it come back on, to be Vernon's daughter. So she'll be all up in their asses, all up in their face. I can't wait for them to make that. Hold up, putting in work. I can't wait for Leslie. I know I'm just talking. I know I should be showing myself. Next time, one is not in the future, I'm going to be back on camera and I'm just going to be talking about stuff and you'll see me talking instead of just behind the camera. I'll be in front of the camera. But yeah, I'll be so happy when they write that Leslie is Vernon Dupree's daughter, and they thinking that Vernon is so doggone faithful and perfect, just like they did with what's his name, Ted, whatever, Cat and Eva daddy, and found out that he had an affair with Eva mama. And I know that, I hope they write in that Vernon had an affair. This is a new soap opera, and that come on, if nobody knows, it's called Beyond the Gate, and people, and it's a black person soap opera, and I love it, all the goings on with Leslie, the Duprees. Some of the characters are born and they have to try and make them interesting, but it still don't work. I just looking at the Duprees, the elders, the Vernon and Anita and Leslie, and Danny, give the show some, and Eva, give the show life. They lucky they got those characters in there, because without them the show would totally suck. But yeah, and if they bring that fire to life, let Leslie be Vernon's daughter. He didn't slept with her mama, and here Anita thinking he just loved her, and he didn't went off and slept with. He had a vulnerable moment with Leslie's mom. I can't think of her name right now, but and then she got pregnant by Vernon, which they keeping it a strong secret. So I just believe it's Vernon, and then that'll bring Leslie into the family. Eva will have a step grandmother, and that'll be her grandfather, and then Cat will piss in her drawers. Boo boo too. Shoot, let that happen. And then that would make Danny and Nicole's sisters. Then I guess it would hurt even more, because then she would know that her sister slept with her husband and caused them to have a divorce. And Danny ain't no better with her but she slept with her ex-husband in the elevator doing that dog. I know I'm talking about stuff. Maybe some of y'all watched this show and this is interesting. Some of y'all then took off already, because I'm talking about the show y'all probably don't know nothing about. But anyway, I enjoy watching Beyond the Gate. Hopefully they come back on next week and carry on with the story. I can't wait till they get to the part to find out who Leslie daddy is. They need to get on that quick, fast, and hurry. I need some dirt. Some entertainment. Something to keep interesting. Oh, y'all know what else I seen? I purchased this movie called The Mummy, and I'm telling you, that is a disturbing movie, but entertaining. You'll watch from the beginning to the end. That's the kind of movies I like. That's people that was right on point. If they get your attention from the beginning to the end, and you don't want to fast forward, and you just stay watching it from moment to moment, it's always something that carries the action all the way through. That's The Mummy. It's for sale, but doing what they had some sale, and I bought it, and I had some credit, and I got it cheap, and that movie was good and disturbing. The Mummy, that little girl, is the Mummy. Y'all ain't scared of horror movies, then check that out. That Dracula, that new Dracula, in the beginning, I liked it, but it's not as good as that Mummy. I'm waiting on a lot of shows. Ooh, hold up, y'all. I'm still putting in work, but I'm about to get out here, because I know I've talked to y'all. Some of y'all don't want to hear about these stories, but if you into watching TV, stories, movies, and stuff like that, I had to share. Now, I don't know. My hand is bothering me. I picked up something heavy with my bad hand. That's a no-no. Oh boy, so much didn't happen. I didn't pulled my back, pulled my hand. Yep. So I ain't doing no crafting. If you see any crafting, it will. Oh man, I forgot. Let me say this right quick. In my videos from if you don't see my comments from my crafting channel or my gardening channel, if I'm going to your channel from my crafting or my garden channel and I comment on your channel from my garden or crafting channel, and if you don't see my comments, please let YouTube know so they can assist, fix, and resolve the issue, because I've been talking to y'all from my crafting and my garden channel, and I look online on my phone and I do not see those comments, and apparently you all don't see them either. And I think it happened on my grocery channel too, because I know I wrote on Pam's channel when she was ranting about how her video was taken down, and I had wrote on her channel, and I went back to check and see had she seen my comment. My comment was gone. I don't know if some folks take my comments down on purpose, or if my comments are disappearing from their channel because of what they say on their channel. I don't know. It could be 1, 2, 3 things, but one thing I'm hoping it's not because they don't want me commenting on their channel. Please, if that is the case anywhere, please let me know. If you don't approve of me, appreciate me, so I can quit coming over there. And if you unsubscribe to my channel, let me know so I can unsubscribe to your channel. Let's be petty together. I'm just kidding. But anyway, just let me know if you no longer follow me or approve of me, and I comment on your channel, wasting my time. It took time for me to watch that video. That was 10-15 minutes of my day. I could have been doing something else, and here you just erase my comment or ignore me and stuff. I don't like that, and I don't think anybody else is like that. But shoot, let folks know. Don't be shy. You grown, I'm grown. If you don't want somebody on your channel, say, oh, or block. And that way, if you block, I can't write on your channel at all. And therefore, I'll get the message that way. Because I'll be like, why this not work? So then I'll know that, hey, this person do not want me over there. But anyway, yeah, I've been on several channels, especially from my crafting and garden channel, writing on y'all channels, and my comments are not showing up. I told y'all probably got hit the newest comments, but I don't know. I'll just keep putting in work, doing what I need to do. The comments start back working eventually, then good for that. Other than that, I don't know why this glitch is happening again, because this ain't the first time. This glitch has happened before, and folks couldn't see my comments, so they quit coming to my channel because they figured I wasn't supporting their channel. But I'm just in the wind. I've been on here for a while, and if that's the case, if I can't communicate with other content creators, then so be it. I guess I'll just be saying hello to visitors, passy-bys, looky-loos, nosy eyes, stop-bys, trolleys. I guess that's about it. But anyway, I'm going to let y'all go. Thanks for joining me today. Hope y'all have a great weekend. And share your pantry and goings-ons of what's happening. And I'll share some more of my pantry. I'm still working on it. I'm just, I'll be showing y'all a different area eventually. Hopefully my hand feel a little better and my back, because the work has been ceased because of my inflammation going on in my body. And I'm sure some of y'all can understand what I'm talking about. If you got inflammation going on in your body, pain will stop a show. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my